The next slide is on the business value of big data. Now, big data is a big leap from the business intelligence world of the past, where we were involved in data mining, ad hoc query, and batch reporting. With new compute network and storage capabilities, Mahout tool to facilitate machine learning, real-time data exploration, discovery, and predictive analysis to uncover fraud detection patterns now seen in 3D, which are fast, wide, and deep dashboards. Let us look at the pictorial representation of the business value of big data. As you can see, big data is at the high ends of both business value and complexity. When it comes to complexity, big data is what provides predictive analysis, machine learning, and 3D dashboards that give us a real-time insight into the transactions that the business needs to be aware of.